Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So igame elandelayo Orlando Pirates bayodlala nePolokwane City, bayodlala nje kusasa le Orlando Stadium. Orlando Pirates will be hosting iPolokwane City. There were many talks around this game. Many people are saying le game lengenzeka ipostpone, but I don't think le game le bafethu izopostpone. Ikhona ku website Orlando Pirates, ungahamba uyathenga amathikithi uyoyibukela le game le. Akakashiwo ukuthi igame ayikho. Yabo, but muyisearch Google abantu abaningi abayifiki. But muyibheka ku SofaScore na ku website Orlando Pirates, iwebsite yasho ukuthi game iyadlala kusasa. So nasi mina ischeme engasetha mase ngithola ithuba, nayi la napha engayisetha mase ngithola ithuba. Nawo ngangitshela yakho kuma comments, but nayi mina eyami engayisetha mase ngithola ithuba. Because khumbula ke Orlando Pirates yobe iyodlala nje kusasa. Iyodlala futhi enye imatch ngeweekend on Saturday against iclub le eqhamuka le DRC. Already leyo club leyo isiskorele Orlando Pirates amagoli amathathu ku first leg. So kwigame yakusasa kumele benze sure ukuthi bayakwazi bawuthola 3 points, bangacabangi ngale game bayoyidlala ngo Saturday, bacabange ngale game le, because maybe ikhohlwa le game bayoyidlala kusasa. Leyo nto leyo ingabakhawatha kakhulu, because iPolokwane City ngayithola isitholele 3 points, because abadlali abaningi Orlando Pirates they are thinking about the game they are going to play ngeweekend. So mekwenzeka ingapostpone le game, nayi mini lineup ya. First and foremost, ngifuna ukulo ngiyalena le bafethu. I'll start uSipho Chain, but I noticed something ngale game athi sidlala. I saw some clips yalama goals akoriwe against uSipho Chain. Defense Orlando Pirates, we have one of the best defenses in the league. But what I saw kuleya clip, I saw ukuthi amateam amaningi aseyoyisebenzisa lento le. Indlela leteam adlala nayo ikore ngakhona, bakore amagoli bengaphandle kwebhokisi. Imost yamagoli abawakorele bebengaphandle kwebhokisi. Leyo nto eraser ama alarm bells ku goalkeeper wethu. Uthi goalkeeper bakora kanjani bengaphandle kwebhokisi? Kodwa ke enye yezinto I think kumele si highlight, I think abadlala kumele sibavumele bakhahlele ngaphandle. Yenye nje yezinto leyo, I think imanagement ne-technical staff kumele bahlale phansi nabadlali bangavumeli ama-opponents wethu akhahlele ngaphandle kwebhokisi. But nawo uSipho Chain kumele akwazi mfethu ukuthi abone mfethu ibhola meliza mfethu, because akwazi mfethu. I saw those goals, I wasn't happy yabo. 1-on-1 nama-defenders ethu, ama-defenders ethu akwazi ukuthi alithathe ibhola. But when these players shoot from outside the box, siba nenkinga. But wena wangitshela ama comments, how do you feel about that situation? Should we tell uSipho Chain ukuthi umjida fethu akathi mfethu ukubamba amabhola noma kumele simshintshe? But for me I think I will start him kule game leso idlala nePolokwane City. With ama two center backs, the two center backs I will choose Siema with Mbokazi. I don't want to change izinto eziningi bafethu. Lento leyo kushintsha i-team kakhulu iyona lesibuyisele emuva. Kumele sigcine bafethu i-winning team. Siyawudinga 3 points. We like it or not, we need the 3 points in this game esoyidlala nePolokwane City. Yabo, singakhohlwa phela ukuthi sisadlala le league. Mekwenzeka singayiwini le game yango Saturday, kumele senze sure ukuthi le siyayiwina. Kumele senze sure ukuthi amaphuzu amathathu sibuya nawo, sidlala eOrlando, sidlala home. So iwona ama defenders lawo engawasetha mina bafethu. These guys complement each other offensively, bayakwazi futhi ukuthi basisize. So ungangitshela nama comments, would you start uSibisi with Mbokazi noma uSiyema with Mbokazi? Undawo usebuyile bafethu, nayo usengadlala umjida, but asazi ukuthi ama wingbacks bafethu ngawuqalisa uLebitho ngamqalisa kule game le. For me I think uLebitho uya deserve ustartile last game. Vele umjida vele usiyabuyela kwi moral yakhe. Maybe ungamqalisa uSibelebele. I thought of starting uSibelebele as a right wing back mase ngifaka iwinga lapha phambili. Yabo, uSibelebele for me I think umjida, I spoke about this esathanda kufika Orlando Pirates, uthi uyi right wing back umjida, asiyona iwinga. And many people are saying uSibelebele right now akasaseni lo uSibelebele oyena. Obvious ngeke azabe uSibelebele oyena, because umjida uyi-defender. He's a defender, he is not a winger per se. He is a defender. He knows though how to run and add ama numbers phambili. Yabo, ingakho ubona ngawo ukuthi uSibelebele asinikezi leyo nto leyo. Yabo, ngoba uyi-defender umjida. You must play him as a right wing back in order for him to give you something. Kumele aqale emuva akwazi ukukhupha nebhola. Yabo, asokuthi lo mdlali lo odlala iwinga akwazi ukudrifta inside mase add ama numbers lapha akushawa igoli. Ingakho uSibelebele ebantswempu mezoqala as right wing back. Yabo, ubokunaka ama games lapho uSibelebele khona eshisa ngempela, ubombheka ukuthi usuke edlala yipi position. La uSibelebele eshisa ngempela for Orlando Pirates, ubobheka ama games aseyawadlala for Orlando Pirates la ikora khona noma nje edlala ngempela, usuke edlala as right wing back. mase uthi lapha ka left ngaqalisa bani uDion Hoto. I thought of starting uNdaba, but ke I think kumele siqinele le game leya, kumele siqalise abadlali abangajwayele ukudlala u3 points, kumele sijimele le team lesi odlala nayo game weekend. So ngabaqalisa babawujida labo bo4 at the back. Ungangitshela wena i back 4 yakho inganjani. Mase kuthi lapha ku number 6. Number 6 controversial, I know, but ke ngamqalisa ebenchini uSehlenduli, iqalise bani, ngiqalisa uMakhehleni Makhawule. It has been a while since uMakhehleni Makhawule ebuyile koLorlando Pirates. He has been training with the first team for the longest time. Right now umjida ubuyile, yabo. He has been nursing his injury, but ubuyile. So mina ngamqalisa against Polokwane City just for him to get some game time, just for him to integrate him kule squad soLorlando Pirates, kule system entsha yaAbdulsalam Wadu. Akaze adlale under Abdulsalam Wadu. I think akwazi ukuthi adlale kahle, akwazi ukuthi aconnect with i-defender elisha bafethu, cause i-defender elisha la uSiyema akakaze adlale noSiyema uMakhehleni Makhawule. Useke wadlala nalabo abadlala abanye abawu3, but ke uSiyema akakaze adlale naye. So akwazi ukuthi aconnect naye because ukhona uMbokazi umdlala sekadlala naye, they will connect, yabo. But ke ngangitshela wena, do you think it's a good choice ukuthi ngiqalise uSehlendule ebenchini, ngiqalise uMakhehleni Makhawule egroundini? I don't know. I thought of starting uMakhehleni Makhawule. He's a well-experienced player. I don't think there are silly mistakes angawenza, because atagcina ukudlala. Yes, atagcina ukudlala, but experienced player like him, I don't think akhona ama mistakes angawenza lapha at the back, yabo. But ke singisazi yazi bafethi injury. Abantu abaningi babuya kwi-injury, they never recovered. The likes of aboThapelo Xoki, they never recovered after they were injured. Mase kuthi lapha eswini i-engine yami bafethu isayibenje obinjalo. Makhehleni Makhawula uzodlala nobani? NoTalente Mbatha with uSipho Mbuli. Talente Mbatha with uSipho Mbuli. Last game we saw the likes of Bonamtajela starting a game. I don't know if uSipho Mbuli uzoba available. I heard ukuthi umjida uthintekile, but ke siyamdinga ngempela. Yebo siyamdinga ngempela. Maybe uTito Maswanganye will start kule game lesoyidlala. I think uTete Maswanganye uzoqala. I don't know, ngizwa nginaleyo feeling. But ke uma available ubani uSipho Mbuli, I'll start uSipho Mbuli with uTalente Mbatha. Yebo I'll start uMbule with uTalente Mbatha. Ngoba u3 labajeda labo eswini bona abazongidlalela mina. Ungangitshela wona ama comments ingathini i-midfield yakho, but ke na engine mina engaqala ngayo against iPolokwane City. Angifuni iPolokwane City ukuyithambela. Join ibona nje le lineup so far isaqinile. Mase ukuthi kuma wingers nje kumele sibashaye nje ibekwa. Kumele nje sibashaye ibekwa, sikhiphele nje isibhongo kubona, because iwinga lami lokuqala, the right winger, I'll start uTshepo Moremi bafethu. Tshepo Moremi umjidi uyangidlalela for me, umjidi uyadlala. So I'll start him kule game lesoyidlala against iPolokwane City. I'm not taking iPolokwane City lightly, but I'll start uTshepo Moremi. I don't think uMfukeng will be available for the game le. Yabo abantu abaningi bayakhuluma surrounding his injury. Remember, he was injured against Iswelele, if I'm not mistaken. So I don't think he will start. Left wing, I'll start Osuna Police. The thing of placing Osuna Police ebenchini angi-understand mina. Angi-understand ngempela into yokuqalisa Osuna Police ebenchini. Kumele umjida waqala ama-games, awaqede ama-games. Awaqede. Same as uTshepo Moremi. Isona scheme so far lesi. Mase uthi upfront ngaqalisa bafethu Evidence Makgopa will be my striker against iPolokwane City. Yabo, so nayi kimi lineup engayikhetha mase ngithola ithuba. Wena na ungangitshela lineup yakho kuma comments uthi kanjani yakho, but ke nayi eyami. Yabo, uvale lo bafethu ungakhohlwa ukuya lapha Instagram, ningisubscribe, ningilikele, ningifollow lapha Instagram. Ngiyabonga nje kakhulu bafethu for i-support eninginikeza yona. Right now sihleli ku 18,000 subscribers la ka YouTube. Siya ku 20, siya ku 30, siya ku 40, siya ku 50, siya ku 60, siya ku 70, siya ku 80, siya ku 90, siya ku 100. Sofia soon 100. Mase siqhubeke nje kanje bafethu, sihloniphane kuma comments. Inhlamba ayithandeki. Angithanda ukubona inhlamba kuma comments because angisiyeni umuntu othanda ukuthuka inhlamba bafethu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for i-support eninginikeza yona. Uvane lo ungayixeke yami lineup, ngitshele wena yakhe lineup uthi njani kuma comments, because nayi eyami njengoba uyibona nje 4-3-3. The traditional Orlando Pirates 4-3-3. Siyema Mbokazi, Lebitso with uDion Hoto, Makhehleni Makhawula, Mbatha, Sipho Mbuli, Tshepo Moremi, Osuna Police and Evidence Makgopa up front. You can tell me yours in my comments. Ungakhohlwa usubscribe, ulike. Ngiyabonga kakhulu bafethu.